Good morning. Today we are going to finish up what we started with our persuasive text. So we are going to be looking at articles today. We have seen them in newspapers, magazines, and online. They are designed to persuade you to change the way that you are thinking or that you feel about something. Articles give opinions and try to convince you, the reader, to agree. So we're going to look at some together. This is called Cats Make Great Pets. There are many reasons why a cat makes a great pet. Many people prefer dogs as pets, but cats are unique in many ways. Cats make great pets because they can be litter box trained. On cold, rainy days, they do not have to be walked. They just need a clean litter box and they are all set. Another reason cats make great pets is because they are smaller than medium-sized dogs and require much less food. People can save money by not having to buy any extra pet food. Lastly, cats make great pets for people who live in apartments. They are way quieter than dogs. Dogs will sometimes bark loudly and wake up the neighbors, but not cats. They are quieter and calmer than dogs. If you are deciding between having a dog or a cat as a pet, then think about all the great reasons that cats make great pets. Okay, so at the bottom it says use the story above to answer the following questions. So we're going to be using the article to see why this would be a persuasive article. What is the author trying to convince you to do or to think? Well, right here in the title, it's talking about cats, and then right here in the introduction, it says that cats make great pets. So they are trying to get you to think that the cat is the best pet that you could have. What reasons does the author give you in order to persuade you? There are several reasons in here. I would like you to find one of why that they, or what's a reason that they give you, okay? Right here, they say cats are great because they have a litter box. Over here, they're saying that they're quiet. So any of those would be correct. Was the author successful in changing your mind? That's not going to be up here. That is all in your own opinion, okay? So what you're going to do today is, this is a very simple, quick lesson. What you're going to do today is you're going to get handout 11. It looks just like the one that we just did. The subject is different. Answer the questions about the article and then turn it into your teacher. If you have any questions, please just let us know. And I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.